In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Discord notifications not receiving. First thing you want to do is launch your Discord app, navigate to the U page, click on the settings icon. Here you're going to find different section, scroll down. Under app settings, you're going to find the option of notifications, click on that. Make sure everything is turned on. Next, check your phone settings. For that, close this, launch your settings app. Now scroll down, click on the option notifications. Now scroll down, find the app Discord and launch it. Toggle on for the option allow notifications. Now make sure all the notifications are allowed. Next up, check do not disturb mode is not turned on. If it is enabled, you won't receive any notifications from any app. So make sure it is disabled. Lastly, check individual servers in your Discord app. So launch your Discord app, navigate to the server. Sometimes notifications are muted for a server. Click on the server name, click on notification, and from here you can enable notification for this specific server. And that's it. This way you can easily fix Discord notifications not receiving. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.